Daddy
and
Kittens!
Look, today is raining. Game. What footwear do we put on? Rain boots, sport shoes, or sandals? Rain boots. What outerwear do we put on? Baseball jacket, raincoat, or shirt? Raincoat. What accessories do we take? Sunglasses, backpack, or umbrella? Umbrella. So you have your rain boots, umbrella, and raincoat. Are you ready to go outside? So come on, come on. Oh yeah. Come on, come on. There's a big puddle. Let's measure it. Puddle. 56. There's 60. 60. Oh, 60. Okay. Ah, very good. Ah, very good. Okay. Jaya. That's it? Which box is full? Yes, very good. Now you can throw out the water. Throw out. Wow. Jaya. Blech. So yucky water, huh? Okay, another box. Slowly. Whoa. Now they are empty. Yeah. Hello! Today we'll use our fingers to painting a rainbow. Link to this picture you can find below our video. So we have our picture, we have water, we have paints, wet mat, and we have a pack of tissue. Are you ready? Go! Rainbow. You see, now you are collecting all raindrops on your hand. Raindrop.
Sponsored by IQ English.